Okay, this is a Colchester CNC and manual flatbed lathe. 21-inch swing, 80-inch centers, model electronic MASTIFF. It's new in 1995. You have pulse generator hand wheels, a Fanuc 20T control. It has a removable gap where you can do 32.7-inch swing in the gap. The waves are harder than ground and they are in nice shape. You have a quick change tool post, that is your tailstock, and we're going to run around for you.
It's in high gear right now.
High gear.
It's about 600 RPM.
600 RPM, okay.
That's 1,000.
I'm going to shoot that on the screen. 1025, I think it says, or 35. Yeah. All right. That chuck is a 12-inch
Gear change to medium.
redraw prep burner chuck. It's the medium range.
Medium range. That's 400 RPM.
Okay, 400 RPM. By the way, you also have a nice size hole in this machine, a 3.5-inch spindle bore.
I'm going to shift to low.
Shifting to low.
That's 120 RPM.
120. Okay.
It's about the middle of the range.
All right. Let's put it back in the
Show the jog.
Okay.
Yeah, we can get a little more.
Doing a gear shift again. Which range is that?
This is medium.
Medium. All right. He's jogging the carriage. Let me show that on the screen there. Okay.
Backwards.
Other direction.
X.
X-axis. Okay.
Stop.
Hand wheels. I'll run it back. I'm going to show them the waves. See, those waves are also nice and clean. He's running the other hand wheel. Do that again. I'll show that on the screen. All right. You change the amount increment on the hand wheel. Show that. Finer feed. Okay. And then, all right, we also have this nice rack of tooling. You have a large faceplate. You have another steady rest for larger size. That is a 4-jaw chuck, and that's a follow rest. And you have a bunch of different tool holders and a boring ball holder. Okay, so you see that. Oh, show the doors open and close. All right, and can you do me a favor, open the doors again to show the tailstock quill going in and out. Tailstock quill is 6.5-inch travel, number 6 Morse taper. Okay, that's good enough. So you saw the spindle run in high, low, and medium range. You saw the carriage move both longitudinal and cross. What's that?
Hours.
Okay, that's all right. I'll try to walk behind for you. This is the back of the machine. Everything is nice and clean. Thank you for watching the video. Oh, the serial number of this machine is EM0025/072. Thank you very much.